Hello and welcome to the how-to video on how to operate and use the multi-format live switcher made by Panasonic. To start off, you're going to want to turn the camera on by pressing in this white button here and sliding the panel down as to point it upward, turning it on. After doing this, turn on the monitor. Upon turning on the monitor and the camera, you're going to want to adjust the iris and the focus. The knob on the left adjusts the focus and the knob on the top adjusts the iris. You're going to want to make sure that all three cameras have these three iris and focus matching. After finishing this, you're going to set the zooms, which is on the other handle. You're going to press right to zoom in and you're going to press left to zoom out. Located on the bottom right-hand corner of the back side of the multi-format live switcher made by Panasonic, you're going to find a master power switch. You're going to want to turn that on. After that, you're going to want to turn on the other power switch, which is located at the top left corner of the back side. And see that there is a blue graded CPU on the bottom. You're going to open that up, turn on the power switch, and then after that, the entire CPU should turn on. In order to pick up any audio from the anchors, you're going to need to plug in an XLR plug to one of the wireless Sennheiser microphones and plug it into any of the mic plugs in the back. Once you find the corresponding mic line for the anchor's microphone, you're going to want to adjust the trim and the volume to make sure that they are heard clearly and loudly through the speakers. Located on the top right-hand side of the board, there is a power switch. Once you turn that on, everything should boot up. After booting that up, you're going to want to turn on the Samurai Blade audio and video recorder itself. There is a button located on the right-hand side of that. After turning on both of those, what you're going to want to do is make sure that all three video cameras look the same in the actual audio and video recorder made by Samurai Blade. Once everything is set up and configured, you're going to want to use the top layer of buttons, the PGM/A, to switch between the three cameras as the anchors are speaking. Once you have configured it, you are ready to hit record by pressing the red record button on the screen of the Samurai Blade device. Whilst recording, you are going to want to switch between the anchors as they speak, and then after they are done speaking, switch back to both of them being in focus. After you have finished recording, you simply take out this solid-state drive located on the left side behind the wire on the Samurai Blade device. You're going to plug that into your computer and you're going to upload the video off of it and get to editing. That is all that we have for you today. Thank you for your time and happy anchoring.